setup of the Wyze Watch. This will be the same for whether you have the 44 or the 47mm version. So right out of the box, you see it has a sticker on it letting you know you have to charge it to activate it. So we're just going to take that sticker off, and there you can kind of see the watch face itself. After which we spin it around and we take off the protective bit in the back, because to actually start the setup process for this, step one is to take the proprietary charging cable and attach it in order to boot the watch up. All right, so that'll be interesting for later. That's proprietary as to which pin goes where. But we missed a little boot notification with Wyze logo popping up there. There's a QR code that popped up on the band. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back and go to the app and say add a band, and then we should be able to put in that information. So off camera, I have the now powered up band. We're going to select add a device. Now it's broken down into these lovely unique categories. So we are going to say lifestyle. There we go. Got the 44 or the 47 watch. We're gonna say 44 because that's what we have. All right, so it wants, camera lighting, gotta love that. It wants to allow the Wyze app to take a picture because it's gonna wanna take a picture of that QR code. In my case, since I'm doing this on Android, I will say only this time. And now it wants me to go over and scan that QR code. So we're gonna do that off camera. So it did take a minute there to line things up, but it is in the pairing process at the moment, so you're going to want to keep the watch nearby. And we're going to bring that into frame now because the watch says pairing. You're going to say OK to finish the pairing process, which I did, and the QR code popped back up, so we're going to see. All right, pairing failed. We're going to try this again. QR code is still showing up on the band itself. It is now showing OK. We're going to select OK again. And we see pairing. Oh, this time we are successful. You have to pick which hand you want. Well, it did say which hand did you want to wear this on, but apparently me picking it up and moving it kind of messed with it. So we're going to click back into that. So connected, disconnected. All right, it's giving me an error code. That's interesting. See if it connects again. All right, there's a firmware upgrade that needs to happen. Question is, will this take as long as the firmware for the Wyze headphones review over there in the corner? We'll make a notation of the time. It is 10:28, and we will not make you sit through that. So we'll come back and hopefully that'll be done. Okay, so it says that the firmware is up to date. However, it is rebooting the device. It took all of about 5.5, 6 minutes. So the watch right now is not usable because, well, it's rebooting. Thankfully, the firmware did not take the stated 20 minutes to actually download and update. Part of that might be due to, your Wi-Fi connectivity. So the faster that you can download, the faster you will get your firmware updated. So again, it says it'll reboot in 3 minutes. We'll take it at its word, and I'm not gonna film that portion. All right, so it finished rebooting, and there we go, we got the watch face. And it requires you to enable background app refresh. Your watch needs this because the app is running in the background to perform certain features, so you can either dismiss this or you select learn more, and then it kind of tells you why keep it running in the background, and then it's showing me my phone model, which is a Google. And then we can go to settings, app notification, Wyze, advanced battery, background, blah, blah, blah. Or we can just go to set and it brings you right into where you need to go. 96% battery, which is good. So it shows that, they shipped this with a full battery. Not terribly difficult at all to set up.